and before expiry I have to renew it, otherwise it will expire. Then I have to appear again from the beginning. If I want to renew my 104, I can't do that, it's already expired. I have to appear from the beginning if I want to do that. But I can renew these anytime before they expire, right? And then it will be valid for another 1 year, and so every year I have to renew it.
Sir, for
Yeah.
renewal, we will give to test again, or we have to pay only.
Not the complete test, it will ask 20
basic
to
questions.
20 30 questions,
Okay.
maybe some topics which are changed during last year or some, and if you clear that it will renew it. If you don't clear it, you can reappear for that.
Okay. Sir, is there any option while in exam only, while giving exam, sir? Like if I stuck in some question and I don't know, so can I restart the test
No, if for
or
renewal,
reappear
yeah, for
the
renewal there is a separate option. Before expiry,
test?
I will get notification and there is a renewal button. I click on it, renew my certification. They say, are you ready with the renewal? I say yes. So my timer will start for, let's say, 20 or 30 questions it will ask, right? If I fail those, it will not renew it. I have to again go for renewal. Once I successfully done it, it will renew for the another 1 year. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So there is a separate process for renewal, which is a smaller or simpler process, but starting from scratch to, if it is already expired, then you have to go from scratch and I have to appear for the full certification, just like from the beginning.
I think, sir, first one is AG 900. Correct?
Yeah,
sir?
900 is easy. Means is comparatively much easy. You can do that, but don't go blank or blindly. Just practice first
Yes,
and then
yes.
go for that.
Yes, sir.